Okay, we will continue with binomial equations. Let's say binomial. There are three rules. First one, a plus b, and sum of these two things and two terms, you can say, square of that one. And the second one, a minus b, so the difference of two terms and square of it, and a square minus b square. There are three rules you have to know. So that's equal a square, so first term square, plus 2 times first term multiplied by second term plus second term square. That's a very similar to the first one. So the difference of two terms, square of that one. First term square minus, that's only here, minus 2 times first term multiplied by second term plus second term square. And a square is a square minus b square. That's it. That's equal a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we will use this rule to factorize algebraic expression. What we are doing here, multiplication. Why it's multiplication? Let me state to you why a plus b square is equal a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So what we are doing, multiplying one by one. You can use distributive property if you want to solve it, but you can memorize that rule and you can substitute the terms instead of a and b. You can find the multiple of the numbers. So there are rules again. As there's a question, 2x minus 5 square. So what are the rules? It says first one square. So what is the first term here? 2x. 2x square minus, because that's minus, so I'm going to write here minus 2 times, these two comes from the rule, 2x multiplied by 5 plus 5, this is the second term square. So first term multiply 2 times first term multiplied by second term plus second term square. That's equal 2x squared is 2 times 2, 4x times x squared, 4x squared. Minus 2 times 2, 4 multiplied by 5, 20. X, there's an x, 2 times 2, 4 multiplied by 5, 20, and there's a multiplied by x, 20x. Plus 5 squared is 25. So we multiply 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5, that will be result. You can use distributive property. You can multiply 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5, that's 2x minus 5 square. You can use distributive property one by one, but it will be take lots of steps to get 4x squared minus 20x plus 5. Let's solve another example, very easy one, the x plus 3. First term is x squared, plus 2 times, this 2 comes from the rule, x multiplied by second term is 3 plus second term square. That's called x squared, 2 times 3 is 6, and there's a multiply by x, 6x, plus 3 square is 9. So with multiplication, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal x squared plus 6x plus 9. That's the last one. What is this? Let's say a, if 2y is a and this is b, plus b1 is b, and as you see, a minus b, so that's equal a square minus b square. If you remember, that's the rule. Okay. Now let's see what is the rule. First one square, 2y minus, what is it, 1 square, that's equal 4y square minus 1. You can multiply by 1, so using distributive property, or you can only use the rule and get that one. These rules are important for next lessons. We will use when we factorize algebraic expressions. We will use this. Pay attention for the next section.